In the previous video, I demonstrated how to change the color of blog post titles on blog pages in Shopify Dawn theme, just like you see right here. While in this video, I'll show you how to update the title colors on the actual blog post pages, right over here. So as usual, log into your Shopify admin account, then select Online Store, then look for your active theme, in my case is Dawn, then select Customize. Once the editor loads at the top, click on drop-down menu, then select Blog Post, Default Blog Post, then on the left under Template, click on Blog Post, then expand the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the Custom CSS rule right in here, but at first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the blog post title. Let me right-click on it and then select Inspect. Let's target the following class selector, which is article-template_title. Perfect. Let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period article-template_title. Open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one. Make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's paste it right here. Then make sure the semicolon is added at the end. Once you add this rule, don't forget to save the changes. Let's go back to the blog post page and let's try refreshing it. And as you can notice, the blog post title is now red color, and this change will be reflected on the blog post pages. Let's take a look at the post. Let's open this one. Yes, you can see it's also red color. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.